Hello guys and welcome to our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get free Europe numbers that work perfectly with all platforms. Basically with these numbers you will be able to receive any SMS verification code from any platform for free. Let's begin. So we need to go to the Play Store. Just click on the Play Store. We need to search for RentSms, like this, RentSms app. So as you can see, it's in the second position. If you don't find it, guys, no worries. I will leave the link of the app in the comment section. So here you can read some information about the app. As you can see, some key features, but doesn't matter. Just click on install now. Just wait for it. Already finished. So click on open. Yes. So guys, there is no need to create a new account. I will provide you with the credentials of this account. The username is freerentsms and the password is freerentsms. All the details will be in the description section and the first comment section. This includes the link of the app in case you didn't find it on the Play Store, the account information, which is the username and the password, and the group of Telegram. So joining this group, guys, will keep you updated on the new numbers and all relevant information regarding this account. Now we need to type our username, which is freerentsms, and the password is the same, freerentsms, and we need to click on login. So this is dashboard, guys. As you can see, we have two active numbers here, fresh and dedicated, which can work with all platforms without any problems. We have two numbers. So if you click in the inbox button, you can see here all the numbers, all the incoming SMS verification codes. Because they are new, they have nothing. This is the second number. And we will keep updated the numbers here. That's why I'm asking you to join our Telegram account, so you will be updated with all the new informations regarding this account. So let's test one of them. Let's go to the Play Store and let's download Tinder, for example. Just click on install. Let's wait for it. It's installing now. So it's finished. Let's click on open. Now we just need to click on log in with the phone number. So let's go to RentSms and bring our phone number. Let's choose the first one. Let me copy it. I'll just copy the number. We need to change the country code to Czech Republic and pass the number here and click continue. Now we need to go to RentSms app, click on inbox, and as you see, we have received the SMS code verification from Tinder, which is 178341. 178341. 41. Yes. Click on continue. So I'll just show you guys that the numbers work. We don't need to finish creating the account. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to join the Telegram account, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.